welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be sharing with you guys a quick tidy up. I hope that this video brings you guys some motivation to get some cleaning done. So I'm starting off in my dining room because that's usually where I start. So I'm just clearing off my dining room table and I'm about to wipe it down. So are you guys excited about the holidays? Let me know down below what you guys have planned for this month. Anything special? Doing anything with your kids? Any traditions? I'd like to know it all. Now I'm just going to be tidying up my living room. My little ones helped me out this day and it just made me so happy that they're able to finally help me out. They understand when I ask them to put things away, they understand what I'm telling them, and it just made me so happy. Look at that. That's so nasty. Look. Ew. Now moving on to the kitchen. One of my favorite areas to clean. I love when my kitchen is clean because it just makes everything feel like it's clean. Does that make sense? Okay, so yeah, I'm just here listening to Alexa dancing and cleaning my kitchen. Here I am just trying to revive my plant. I am not a plant lady and I am trying to be, and this has been the longest living plant I've had. So yeah, that's what I was doing there, and now I am just going to clean the kitchen sink. Now moving on to my bedroom, I'm just going to fold my bed and get my bed in order and do some laundry. Look at that cute face. Hi, love. Hi. Oh, you're so handsome. Look at those chubby cheeks. Oh, look at those chubby cheeks. I'm sorry. I know. I'm frustrating you. So, I'm going to try to finish. I'm going to put them down. And then I'm going to start on dinner because it's going to be dinner time soon. It's barely like 3, but I'm trying to get dinner done like sooner than I normally get it done because we need to get these babies to bed earlier. So yeah, let's do that. Let's do that, Erin. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Mommy loves you. Mommy loves you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.